Okay, so in this video I will tell you how to set up the Soft4FX simulation software. What you have to do, you have to go to your Google Drive and click on the shared with me folder over here, and from the shared with me you will see trading algorithms for MT4 shared by Mohammed Unib. So you open over here, and then from here you will see Forex Simulator Expert Advisor for MT4. You click here and click on download. Click here, right click and click on download, and wait for the download to complete. So after the download has been completed, you have to click here, show in folder, and press cut. Okay, and then bring it on the desktop. Alright, and now from here you will see, and if you don't have the software, this software you have to download the WinRAR. Okay, this software from, if you don't have the extraction software, you go over here and download WinRAR. Just Google download WinRAR. Okay, and you just download the WinRAR software from the internet. Okay, so now you just click here and click on extract here. Okay, you can see Forex Simulator Expert Advisor for MT4. Okay, and then you click here and then you do further extraction. Now you will have two folders over here in the Forex Simulator option. You just copy this one. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to go to your MT4. You go to your MT4, and after going to MT4, you just click on your account, okay, whatever it is, and let it load. Alright, hold on for a minute. Okay, so once the MT4 is open, you click on file, and on the file you will see the open data folder. You click on open data folder. Okay, and from this open data folder you go to MQL4 and you will see experts folder over here. You click on over experts folder, you minimize both screens, and you open this setup of Forex Simulator. You copy this ex4 file for the Forex Simulator. You copy it, and after copying it you go back to the you get back to this one expert folder, okay, of the MQL4. Okay, I go it again, MQL4 expert, and then you click on paste. Once you paste, you restart your MT4. Alright, you restart your MT4. Alright, now what you have to do, you just have to go for file, and then after copying it, you will see, you open any chart, any new chart, file, new chart, whatever you want to test. So let's say I am testing the metal CFD, XAU, USD, whatever you like. Okay, and then you customize the chart setting. Okay, you customize the chart setting by going to properties. You can change its color, shape, or whatever it is, and then whatever you like, right? Alright, so here after, and you can put your indicators the way you like. Okay, and after you have set up your chart and customized your chart, what you have to do, you have to click on expert advisors, right, available over here, and you will see Soft4FX Forex Simulator. You drag on your screen like this, and then you go to common. From the common you click on allow live trading, allow DLL imports, input, you don't have to change anything, and then you click on OK. Now the chart has been loaded. Okay, so now what you do, you have to click on the new simulator. Okay, you have to select the instrument which you want to simulate. So right now there are two currency pairs. So you can go to the MetaTrader. In the MetaTrader you can see more currency pairs. If you go to TrueFX, so do Ducus copy, all right, and then okay, you go to the data center. First of all, go to the data center and select the pairs which you want to download. Okay, for example, you want to download for XAU USD, which is gold. Okay, and then you click on download. From the download, data of the last 1 year, okay, or download, or I suggest you to download all available data, but it will take so much time for the purpose of this video, so I will only download I will suggest this option for you, but it will take some time, around 1 hour to complete. So I will just, for the sake of this video, I will download the 1 year. Download. So it's downloading now. Okay, let the download complete. Okay. So remember that you have to select the data provider as Ducus copy. It's very important. Okay, so I will pause this video now, and I will resume once it's 100%. Okay, so data has been downloaded. I suggest you to do this for every asset, and you have to select the download all data. But for the purpose of this video, I've only downloaded the gold data for last 1 year. Okay, so it's now completed. What you have to do, I just need to click on update. Okay, and then I need to click on close. Okay, once it's close, I will go to the new simulator, and from the okay, before going to new simulator, I suggest you to go to tools, options, and here you will see the expert advisors. Make sure that allow automated trading and allow DLL imports is checked. Okay, both of them, this one and this one. Now click on OK. All right, now you click on the new simulator, and from here you select XAU USD, whatever your pair is. Okay, now start simulation from this part. Okay, all right, and you click on OK. Initial history on charts, this one. Okay, your pip size, lot size, the maximum lot size is 100. Select your leverage, whatever leverage you want to select. I suggest you to keep 1:100. Spread is fixed, and keep spread to 10 points. Okay, now you click on the start simulation. Okay, spread, you just do it real variable. Okay, all right, so just click on start simulation. Okay, now what you can do, you can just click on charts. From the chart you select on the standard chart and click on the time frame in which you are trading. Let's suppose the 5-minute time frame, and then you click on add. The chart will be added. Now close, and now click on chart. It's already added here. You click on open. Okay, click on open from here. Now this chart has already been open. Okay, now you will be given this data. You can see this is whatever the data is, you can click it, and then you can go for the this bar by bar. This is, you can click it and then you can get the bar by bar, and you can draw your Wyckoff analysis according to your data, and you can just place your trades. For example, if you want to place your trade, what we do, you can also go for bar by bar from here. Okay, from here, next bar. So it will take you to the data, and you can also do this as ticks, and then click on here, it will automatically update. Okay, so once this is done, you can go to next bar, or you can click this and set the speed the way you like. I suggest you to go for this next bar, click pause here and then click on next bar. If you want to place a trade, how you can do, you can just click on here. Let's suppose here is the market order, pending order. You can go for the market order. Okay, select the lot size which you want to select. Let's suppose my lot size is 10. Okay, you can, and then you can click on buy. Okay, now go to the visual mode, buy 10 lots. Okay, you can place your TP right over here, you can place your stop loss right over here, SL right over here. This bar is the entry, this is SL, this is TP. Accept. Okay, it says no enough margin, so maybe you have to increase your account size. All right, so you can just select the one lot here. Let's suppose one lot or 0.01. I will tell you how to. Okay, account size, you can go to account, your equity is 1000. You can right now you cannot increase it, but I will tell you in another video how to set your equity balance, but for now I'm just placing one lot. Okay, and I go for the visual mode. I click on buy. Okay, on buy I will, let's suppose I'm buying over here. My stop loss TP is here, my stop loss is here, and then I can accept, and then I can go to next bar. So my stop loss is hit. Okay, and then I will buy another trade. Let's suppose stop loss I place here on this low, take profit. I'm just randomly doing it without any strategy, just to show you. Okay, so I buy here, TP is here, stop loss is here. First for you set both of it and then click on accept, next bar, next bar, next bar, next bar, next bar. My SL is hit again, and then I can just sell here, let's suppose, and place my stop loss here, my TP here. Okay, I can go to next bar. Okay, and then I can just, right now I'm just randomly doing it, so I'm not placing any kind of strategy. So right now you just click on SL here, TP here, accept, TP is hit, and then I can go back if I want from here. Okay, and I can buy it, place my TP here, place my SL right over here, accept it, and then I can just make a trade. And I can also see the history. Okay, history on chart. If you want to see the if I want to see the trades, these were my trades. Okay, these are the history here. You can see all of the trades I placed with the simulator. Okay, you can see over here, and you can see my balance, you can see my PL, PNL. Okay, this is how you can simulate, and this is how you can simulate. So I expect, if you want to export this history to Excel sheet, you can export it, and it will be exported. Click on desktop, and you can see your chart in real time by clicking over here. what trades you placed, what was your take profit, everything would be mentioned on this Excel. Okay, you can see. All right, so that's how you use the simulator. I hope you have got the point. So let's go for more. If you want to go and do the buy here, sell here, TP, accept it, next bar, next bar. So yeah, SL is hit. So I'm just doing it for the sake of this. So I'm not placing any strategy. You can obviously you can insert other indicators. Okay. So yeah, you can see how it plays out. Okay, so you can practice your London setups, your other setups right from the simulator. You can, if you want to insert any indicator, you can insert indicator from here. Let's suppose I want to insert volumes. I just insert volumes. I can customize it, okay, the way I want. I can also change the color of the background. I can use the Wyckoff analysis. I can draw the trend lines. Okay, I can use a trading view to analyze the chart according to this date, and then I can just analyze the trades. Okay, all right, so you can see next bar, next bar, next bar. I can sell it. Let's suppose if I sell it, okay, yeah, so you can see some trades are losers, some are winners. So it's just to show you that for the demonstration of this purpose I'm just showing you. And if you want to see the news, you can see what time the news were available. At this time the news came out, at this time the high impact news came out. Okay, and you can change the position of the chart by clicking on, if you click on one it will be placed on the right, on the left. If you click on two it will be placed on the, if you click on three it will be down. Okay, if you click on four it will be here, so I prefer two. Okay, all right, so I hope you have understood how to use the simulator and wish you all the best.